Wala, kasama na natin.
Bakit?
Sige.
Guess who's back? This is Prince, and today we're gonna unbox MX Vertical mouse, and I don't know why this mouse looks like this.
You don't know why this is abomination? You should know.
This is bullshit, man.
You're opening
But
it.
I'm gonna open today, even though it's ugly as fuck. So guys, we will unbox this MX Vertical mouse by Logitech, even though it's so ugly. Ugly as fork. Oh my god, man.
Wait, Prince, a question. Is it
Yeah.
like review and unbox and run type of situation? You're like all dressed up with your sling bag.
You know, man, you need to look me, bro, while you unbox products,
Trash.
you know, man. Even though it's trash, let's do this, guys. Oh. And let's open this one. Oh my god, man. Let's see this ugly ass mouse, man. I don't
Yes,
want
mouse.
to use this, man. You want to use this mouse,
No.
Amrit?
No,
Oh my god.
never.
I don't know who's gonna use this. Who's gonna use this?
I have no idea, but it's me.
Oh, so our big brother, Iqbal, will use this mouse. And this is the cable. And thankfully it's Type-C. Thankfully, man. Thankfully. Logitech, you did... Huh?
Should be C to C.
But still, it's alright, man. Type A to Type C, it's not bad, man. Come on. And
I
shout
see
out to
everything.
Compass, Vancouver. Vancouver.
Here's some information.
Oh, man, Apple Watch is bullshit, man. And let's dig to the mouse itself. Dig to the, you know, this cartoon.
And then, Tito ni Joseph. No, the
And-
last time, you.
And if you want to open the mouse, you just flip it, and you will see the what's this, man? Ooh. You will see the ugly ass, ugly ass mouse. No, it's very nice to work on if you want to work it for a while. And this is the dongle if you want to connect your the mouse to the laptop, and you can also connect this mouse via Bluetooth, if I'm not mistaken.
You're not. You're right.
Alright. I know stuff. Something about mouses, you know?
Mouses? No mouses.
Mice.
Mice? Mice!
Moses.
Mice, you know, you mice the... mice the garlic? This is that. I'm just kidding, bro. What the fuck? You guys take it so seriously, man. And yeah. So if you want to connect the mouse itself or you charge it, you can connect it and you can use it though.
Yes.
Yeah, if it's low battery.
Absolutely correct.
Yeah. Just put it over here. Just put it over here. Put it in. When you want to charge it, just put the Type-C in this hole. And yeah, so if you want to start the mouse, kidding aside, guys, if you want to start the mouse, you're just gonna click this button, and there's our 3 zones, or 3. You can connect it to 3
different devices.
three different. Yeah. That.
Wait,
So-
a quick question.
Yeah.
If a gamer has this mouse, can he game though?
Man, it depends on him, man. If you want to struggle, man, use this motherfucker. Like, bro, what you doing, man? You wanna get killed or what? But yeah.
Boom, boom, pitaka.
So this is it, guys. Enjoy. Stay safe. Like, subscribe, comment on our videos, and if you want more content, please support us. Please, guys. Like, we are making all the contents all the time for you guys, so you can enjoy and just support. You know. Signing off. your favorite guy to unbox videos in Gearton. Prince Oha. Bye bye.
Alright guys, don't forget.
Oh shit, mira.
Signing off.
Signing off. Special guest. Tanong pataya.
No.
Sino mo siya?